CBSE Board new syllabus 2021 class 10 reduced by syllabus 30%. How to effectively prepare for CBSE exams? So let us look at it. Tip one would be make a timetable. Candidates, in order to make their CBSE class and preparation more organized and disciplined, they should prepare a timetable. Once you understand what to prepare, then you have to make a plan of how do you want to prepare it, set realistic targets, make a proper timetable as to um, which subject do you want to do when, and then block your study hours during those times of day when you think you are most productive. Like if you're most productive in morning, try to block that part of the day for the study. Next, focus on key concepts. So aspirants should focus on concepts rather than adopting a rote learning technique. So don't learn as if you are just uh, studying for marks. Try to understand things, and this would help you fetch good marks eventually. Focus on understanding the concepts. Understanding helps you remember the concepts for a very long time. Moreover, if you have a clear understanding of concepts, you can easily handle topics with the which have twists from the basic questions. So you can easily handle these kind of self-assessment. Try to evaluate yourself from time to time for class 10 preparation. You can take tests, self-tests, or you can take up test series or try to solve um, question papers like post-file question papers, sample question papers. You can try to solve them and check your speed and accuracy as to like if you are being able to complete the question paper on time while you are doing the sample papers and come up with your own strategy and attempting the questions. Do not try to adapt anyone else's strategy. You might not be able to do that, so try to get your own strategy in place. Prioritize practicing your weak chapters in order of the weightage. So now the tip will be practice previous year question papers. So you have to be thorough with what has come in the past because there are higher chances that they might come again. So you should be prepared with that. Uh, that would also build your confidence and increase your question solving skills. And the last and the most important tip would be stay positive and confident. Belief is a very powerful tool. You have to believe in yourself that you would be able to achieve whatever your targets are, and that would actually help you achieve them. And a bit of physical activity and meditation would help improve your concentration to try to spare some time for that as well. And then you're good to go for your class 10 board exams. Thank you.